Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to scan in Temu QR code. So guys, before we begin, you can click on my link in the description below to get a $100 coupon bundle, or you can use my code to get a 30% discount on Temu. So guys, today I'm going to show you two ways in order for you to scan a QR code on Temu. So for the first method is just simply go ahead and go to your notification bar at the very top of your screen. And from here, guys, you should be able to see here scanner as you can see over here. And once you are here, you'll be able to scan a QR code. Just simply scan it, or you can just simply open up your camera. So now, for the second option that you have, if you don't have a QR code the scanner into your phone, is just simply go ahead and go to a Google Play Store. And from here, guys, just simply search for QR code scanner. And from here, you will have multiple applications that you can choose from. And from here, let's say I'm going to choose the first one, a QR and barcode scanner. And from here, just simply install this application. And after that, you'll be able to use it. So guys, just try a different application that is best for you. So now, let's try opening the application, guys. And make sure to allow it to take pictures and record videos. And from here, as you can see, we'll be able to scan the QR code. And there you go. That's simply about it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See ya.